What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're finally getting around to our half case of 1516 SP Authentic. Trust me, you won't see many people breaking SP Authentic anymore, so this is a good one to get involved in. We are live. Good luck. Teams are going ahead right now. And if you don't like a team, feel free to trade them in the comments. 941 on the list. It is Anaheim to Winnipeg. And we got Clay all the way down to Stacy, guys. Best of luck. And it is 942. Let's start with teams. Here they are. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 942. 942 it is. Last and final.
We asked Brady about fighting Matthew. And he said, yeah, you know, I've seen Hunter brothers fight. I've seen
Last and final. 942. 942.
What is that?
Columbus.
If they know what's best for them, they will not do that.
Columbus to Anaheim.
Much to credit Brady's success
Toronto
growing up in the program at
to St. Louis.
How much of that is due to him being pushed by his older brother Matthew?
And then we got Clay to Stacy. Good luck. 1. Oh, again, it is 942. 2, 3, timestamp.
Okay, put on your scouting evaluators now, Matthew. If you
Timestamp. 943. 943. And last and final.
What did the Ottawa Senators just get? They got potential top line scoring winner. I think. I mean, we have your brother on set here. Right?
943 and 943. Stefan
What do you want to say to your
to
brother?
Scott.
Brady, congrats, bro. I'm so freaking proud of you. It's unbelievable, top 4. You got the bragging rights, but we'll see if you play next year or not.
Here's your teams, guys. We're going to post them in the comments, and we'll see you in 15 minutes for the break. Best of luck.